IGCSE Computer Science, Syllabus Statement 1.2.3b, show understanding of what is meant by Hypertext Transfer Protocol, both HTTP and HTTPS. So this statement actually also has HTML, but we already covered that in uses of hexadecimal. I covered everything about HTML without knowing that what I should have done was had the information of HTML here, and but not, well, anyway, what's done is done. So if you want to know about HTML, I'll have a link in the corner if I remember to put it there. If you don't, just mention it in the comments and I'll get to it. So yeah, let's get started. So HTTP is a set of rules which must be followed in transferring data across the internet. And when a type of security is used, so like such as SSL or encryption of some sort, then this becomes HTTPS, where S refers to secure. So Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. But using HTTPS is slower than using HTTP. And HTTPS is usually used in the transfer of private data across the internet. So credit card numbers on a banking website, for example. So like if you have a banking website, if you have an account, you might notice an HTTPS in the corner of your browser. And well, that's why. But I noticed that most sites nowadays have HTTPS. Or do they? I don't really know, but every time I go on any site, it always says HTTPS, which is probably why my internet's so slow. But anyway, that's pretty much it.